The Gnetum root TS shows mainly spheroidal outline. The spheroidal outline root TS shows mainly three major portions. One is epidermis, second one is cortex, third one is stele. Epidermis is the outer layer. It made by rectangular parenchyma cells. Outside of these epidermis, cuticle is present. It shows xerophytic character. It means Gnetum shows xerophytic characters. The epidermis protected to inner parts and it gives a perfect shape to root system. Beneath of the epidermis, cortex is present. The cortex made by mainly normal parenchyma tissue. The normal parenchyma tissues are compactly arranged without any intercellular spaces. Each cell filled with starch. So the cortical cells are helps in the storage of starch food material. In this cortex, normal parenchymatous cortex, dead cells are present. They called fiber cells. The fiber cells are mainly helps in mechanical support to root system. At center region of root of Gnetum, siphon-like structure is present. The siphon-like structure is called stele. The stele surrounded by endodermis. Endodermis mainly made by rectangular parenchyma cells. They are also filled with starch storage food material. So these endodermis is also called starch layer, and casparin strips are clearly visible in the endodermis. Below the endodermis, multi-layer of pericycle is present. Below the pericycle, vascular tissues are arranged in a radial position. The vascular tissues are xylem and phloem. Xylem mainly shows two types of xylem cells based on the size. The large xylem cells are called metaxylem. Small size of xylem cells are called protoxylem. From this Gnetum, two protoxylems are present towards outside. So exarch protoxylem. Two protoxylems are towards outside means bi or di-exarch protoxylems. Alternate of the xylem phloem is present. The phloem main function is translocation of organic substance to total plant pods. And the xylem main function is conduction of water to total plant pods. And at center region of stele, medulla is present. It is the primary Gnetum young root TS. And the secondary root TS is means at the second year of plant of Gnetum, new vascular cambium is developed between the xylem and phloem. New vascular cambium is developed between the xylem and phloem. Once cambium is formed in the stellar region, the cambium ring continuously participated in the secondary growth. To outside of these cambium rings, secondary phloem developed in a small quantity, and below this cambium ring, secondary xylem is developed in the large quantity. It is the secondary growth of Gnetum root TS.